For over 85 years, Blue Bird has been a leader in school bus safety, reliability, durability, and industry innovation. The story begins here at Blue Bird's headquarters in Fort Valley, Georgia. Since Blue Bird's first school bus rolled off the assembly line in 1927, Blue Bird has built over 500,000 school buses that are utilized throughout the world. Over half of these buses are still in service today. Every bus Blue Bird builds is custom made. No two school buses on the assembly line are exactly alike. Each day, Blue Bird produces between 30 to 40 school buses and employs over 1,500 people. Before the building process begins, rigorous engineering and testing goes into ensuring all school bus options and configurations meet and exceed federal motor vehicle safety standards. Blue Bird also conducts its own tests to ensure student safety in a variety of everyday scenarios as well as emergency situations. Each Blue Bird school bus features an exclusive, purpose-built chassis. The strength and height of Blue Bird's chassis is key to ensuring student safety on a Blue Bird school bus. Blue Bird is the only school bus manufacturer to build a chassis specifically designed to transport students. Safety, strength, and durability are the driving forces behind all design objectives at Blue Bird. The chassis process begins with robust quarter-inch thick steel frames. The frames are carefully assembled into place and reinforced with heavy-duty bolts and huckspin fasteners, guaranteeing that each bolt is locked in position for the lifetime of the bus. Once the frame rails are in place, the wheels, transmission, engine, electrical wiring, and steering instruments are skillfully added. This day-long process yields a chassis that is the only one of its kind in the school bus industry, robust enough to withstand substantial impact. Blue Bird's bus bodies are known as the most durable and well-made throughout the industry. The body process begins with Blue Bird's signature 14-gauge one-piece roof bow system that, combined with our rugged and sturdy 14-gauge floor structure, provide the students we transport with a mighty safety cage. Next, exterior side panels and rub rails, made from heavy-duty sheet metal, are added. Roof panels are carefully riveted onto the body. Body insulation, wiring, and interior side panels are threaded and attached. The bus body is then prepared for the paint process. Here, Blue Bird technicians paint the bus body and undercarriage, ensuring it withstands the greatest environmental challenges. The paint is then heat cured to guarantee optimal durability. Once the paint process is complete, the bus moves down the assembly line where windows, seats, safety signals, and lights are installed. Remember, each school bus is custom made. This means technicians pay close attention to ensuring each bus has the correct component. Now comes the exciting part. At the end of the assembly line, the school bus body is hoisted in the air as it is slowly and carefully lowered onto the school bus chassis. This process is a quest in agility and navigating precise angles. Once the school bus body and chassis are successfully attached, each floor and body joint is carefully bolted into place utilizing the most rugged fasteners available. Next, the school bus is driven to final finish where optional accessories are added, such as air conditioners, decals, special needs lifts, and luggage compartments. Once complete, the school bus moves to quality control where technicians carefully check the bus to make sure all switches and functions operate correctly. Each school bus is then test-driven 15 miles for the final quality check. Once finishing checks are complete, the school bus is driven to the customer for delivery. Many of the parts that are used to build a school bus are fabricated at Blue Bird. Heavy-duty presses expertly mold giant sheets of steel into bumpers, side panels, floor panels, and other components. Utilizing state-of-the-art equipment, specialized parts are expertly cut out by lasers, the pieces are sent to the presses, and the final part is delivered to the assembly line as the school bus is under construction. Every day at Blue Bird, we work to provide you with the safest, most reliable school buses on the road. For over 85 years, Blue Bird has set industry standards with our innovation, technology, and smart solutions. Today, we continue the tradition of forward-thinking initiatives that make Blue Bird school buses the best in the world. Our extensive manufacturing process, from initial order entry to the building process and final finish, provide customers with a school bus that has been designed and built by leaders in the school bus manufacturing industry. Leaders that know how to build a bus that will still be on the road transporting children 20 years from now.